You are welcome. Today we have these Wild Berg protein bars which we have already tasted, but this flavor here we haven't. And it is the coconut chocolate here, which is one of the last flavors. I'm missing still was it salmiakki or licorice one, but we're gonna check that out when I find it. Or I can get it. When you bite, the bar itself, you can feel those coconut flakes inside there, giving that quite nice crunchy feeling there, and chocolate smoothness or sweetness, make the richer flavor there. But I think this is quite nice combination. What do you think? Coconut chocolate, can they be good mixed together? See you next time. Bye.